So this is my sleeve pattern. This is the sleeve pattern. I'm going to be taking my measuring inch. Take 2.5 inches. On this side I'll mark out 2.5 inches. On this side too, I'll mark out 2.5 inches. Okay, then I'll be marking out 2 inches at the bottom part here. I mark out 2 inches. I come here too and I mark out 2 inches. And the next thing, I'm going to mark out 1.5 inches all the way up. 1.5 inches. So I'm going to connect from this side to this side to this side. Okay, so I'll just use my free hand to connect it. So there we go. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut it out. Good. I'll take this part here, the center, notch it. And I'll take another piece of fabric, okay, that's folded into 2. The back side, facing the back side, and I'll cut it out. And there we go. So I'll sew this piece here, knitting all this piece, and sew this piece here, and fold it and put it on my cloth. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and see you in the next one. Bye. So this is it, the first one and the second one. You just put them together and sew here. So it's done with that. You come here, close this part here.